Daniel says, what are the advantages of FastAPI versus Flask, for example? I've used Flask before, but I'm new to FastAPI. I'm also new. I've been reading a lot about FastAPI and that it's so simple to actually use, and FastAPI automatically creates you all the documentation for it and so on. And it's really the cool thing is with as far as I have been using FastAPI for 2 days, is the simplicity. I think that's the main thing. Like, the lines of code to actually build an API are so small, and you can do so much with it. It's a really, really nice library, and then you end up with a nice documentation on it. So that's really cool. Maybe I can bring up the document. Let me try to bring up the documentation, how these look. Because the cool thing is it that you can actually, you can very easily test it and on your local machine. And yeah. Okay, you already did check out the part. Let me see if I can quickly get it up running. Come on. I don't think so. Or could I? Localhost and docs. Yeah, here. Basically, the cool thing is once you have a documentation, you can actually go in here. Or once you have your code, you can actually then go in here. You see your schemas. You can say, okay, here's how to post something. You see stuff requires the request body and example data, and then you can actually see also responses. So it's and you can just test it here, try it out, send in something, execute it, and then see what it returns. Really, really nice. To actually, I think the other one here was where I had, like, where you can then say, okay, I wanna have in my input string, I wanna have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, I think. Then you have you can say, okay, I want to have the customer ID, this one. It will return you 404 not found, item not found. I think it was just this. Or if you have the right one, oh, it's too small. Then if you have the right one, you can actually get the response body 200 response back, and you can just test that out. And if you test it out, if it doesn't work, like, just execute it here, right? And you see in your actual code here, you also see then in your VS Code, you see the errors or the returns that you get. So it's really, really nice to actually work with, and especially for a beginner or somebody who wants to set up something quick. I think that's really, really cool. I really like it.